Pi baru kini gilang ki kubor pamda kasngi. Ha kajing yalang kabrang shen ukamanda shangpliang ulapan pawi kajing kabajur kabamat ki babun ki Nongrep Meghalaya. Da kaba ong baka kamrep ha kajila kalong kaba chisin ulo ong baki babun ki Nongrep ki rep tang kembalai hadu hendru benai ha usnem. Bar ha kapor kabasa ki ha banshania ha ki kambala ban pynheh kajing imjongki. Ulo ong ru baki Nongrep Meghalaya ki imtang daka kamrep bat kambala sngi. Hadu mentaru ki Nongrep ki danglong kumbah nyopo pesen hadu prapo pesen jong kejela jongi kumta lada ngi kren shapang shipo billion ne kanu ka billion lada kane ka pisa kampoi sha ki Nongrep bar ki nong bela ngan om hun ula ong. Haba jubab ikati ke jeng kerpat umenturang ba ukonrat ki sangma ula pensyai ba ke sorkar katemu ban kela na kerukam tyngka fund based relief sha kerukam bu renti ikilat kilenti ki bani Islam. Investment model Kajing tyngka kamne Islam laong UCM ngide ban shnai kilat mechanism bagi briu kinla ban yeng halaki jongki kejan. Ulaban baka budget arhajar arpnriu arhajar arpnyo kan pelet jengmut kambun ha ki Nongrep ki samla bat ki kentai ling baka gender budget ban kentiu yakayo kakot ha kerukam kabala ban pensisha. Ka temu bakun kalong ban num shania atang ha kajing yarap tyngka ndrei ban ai ki program ki ba pinbiang ya ki Nongrep bat ki nong bela ba kin long ki baklan ha kayo kakon naka bynta kalawe.
And again, sir, one more thing, just for your, I think you may be aware or know it. Our farmer, they are not the round the year farmer. They are just like seasonal. So maybe 6 months or 3 months. So they will be involved some way or the other into the labor activities. So if you can, I don't know whether the government of India have not guaranteed or something like that, they have changed that or something. So if the government can consider putting some fund in terms of allotment for the labor, I don't know that guarantee scheme is coming or not, they have changed the scheme. So see, because in terms of livelihood, it's a labor work and then the farming in the village, and still till today, maybe farmer we are still around 70 to 80% in our state. So if we talk about 10 billion or whatever billion, and if this money is not being distributed among the farmer, among the labor, I will not be happy, sir. So please look at that. Yeah. That investment should be also
exactly. I would rather say investment.
Yes,
I don't
sir.
want to use fund being thing, because
investment. Yes.
Everything we do should be done in a manner that is justifiable. Yes. So that's why if you've seen our expenditures, I think you will know better than anybody the amount of work we have done for the farmers.
We appreciate that.
Is uncomparable. In the past, and how we've been communicating to the farmers. In fact, farmers, youth, these are key factors in our system. Women. That's why gender budget is very important. So if in all of this, if you look at it, we are ensuring that we invest. So giving money is not something that we believe is sustainable, but giving them a scheme, a program, or creating a mechanism through which they can then become self-sufficient, and we help them create that mechanism is what we believe in. So therefore, that's the reason why only distress time, difficult times, we have to be with them, because then there's no option. But wherever possible, I would rather say we invest. That's the correct word I'd like to use.
Yes, I agree with you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So that is the thing why we need to have the agri-mechanization, because
agri-mechanization, we can just talk about agri-mechanization.
Yeah, because we need the labor, as he said.
So there is a scheme that's going on, but I think the expansion for that.
We are working on it.
Yeah.
We are working in the department.
Yeah. We started it with the people who are going to benefit.
Correct.
So if we're not able to understand what they want, then we're going to obviously do the things that may not be the most efficient things.
Right.
So I totally agree with this. I think we can ask the agency to sit down with them once and figure that. And future we'll have to make sure that actually normally we do it. I don't know how wasn't missed out.
Never done.
Yeah, that's strange, because normally for everything we're very, very particular. Please put it in public domain. Please discuss with stakeholders. We're not going to, if something comes to cabinet and it's not been discussed, we don't allow. We send it back. We say please open it up to public for 30 days, and then we'll see. So I'll revisit this one and ensure that in the future this is implemented more strictly.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.